Hello, Class 5-3. Mr. Waterman here with today's language arts lesson. It is Thursday, December 10th, 2020. I know we are back online. It is last minute, but it's okay. We'll get through this. We're just going to continue in our Jalapeño Bagels workbook. Today we're going to work on pages 130 and 131. A few easy activities for you today, but I'm going to extend them and make them a little bit longer for you. This is our spelling spree. We're going to be working with contractions. Please listen. Missing letters. Write the spelling word that is a contraction for each word or pair of words. Circle the letter or letters that the apostrophe takes the place of. Okay? So, let's go through the spelling words first. Number 1, aisle. Number 2, weave. Number 3, I'm. Number 4, you're. Number 5, isn't. Number 6, didn't. Number 7, you'll. Number 8, I've. Number 9, it's. And number 10, will. Number 11, can't. Okay? So now, here's what I'm going to do for each one. I am going to actually use the spelling words and I'm going to write a sentence. Okay? Please look at my example for number 1. Cannot. Well, the contraction is can't. Here's my sentence. I can't wait for Christmas. In 2 weeks. I can't wait for Christmas in 2 weeks. I'm going to make that C much bigger because I love Christmas. Bam. There we go. All right. So, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to circle the letters that the letter or letters that the apostrophe takes the place of. So in cannot, we have 6 letters, C-A-N-N-O-T. This apostrophe takes the place of N and O. So I'm going to circle them. There we go. Now, I'm going to cross out can't because we've used it. I will do one more. Did not. The contraction is didn't. Here's my example sentence. We didn't have to go to school today. We didn't have to go to school today. There's my sentence. My apostrophe takes the place of the O. So I'm going to circle the O. Okay? Please do the others on your own. I'm going to cross out didn't because I've used didn't. So as you go through and you use each one, write a sentence, circle the letter or letters that the apostrophe takes the place of, and then cross out the word that you have used. Okay? Don't forget to do the one in the car. They are. There. What letter do you circle? What does the apostrophe replace? Hint. There you go. After that, turn to the next page. Page 131. Double meaning. This skill is a dictionary. Word meanings. Read the words and their definitions. Decide which meaning fits each sentence below. Write the correct definition. Let's read the first word. Check. Check. Number 1. A mark to show something is correct. For example, when I do that on your test, make a check like that, that means your answer is correct. Two, to look for something. I will check my bag for another pencil or a pencil sharpener. Let's look at the next word. Chip. Number 1, a small piece of something such as chocolate. I love it when my mother makes chocolate chip cookies. Do you like chocolate chip cookies? Number 2, to chop off a small piece. Okay, a very small piece of something such as chocolate can be a chip, or when you cut a piece of something, a small piece, chop off a small piece, is also a chip. The next word, figure, to solve. You do this in math class. I ask you a question, you solve the problem. Number 2, a form, shape, or pattern. This shape is a triangle. It's also a figure in math. Now, let's look at each sentence. Number 1, Nathan likes the figure in this picture. 2, can you figure out how to open this box? 3, Darren counted to see how many chocolate chips were in his cookie. 4, Patty can't find her math book. She will check to see if it is in her backpack. Let's go back to the directions. Read the words and their definitions. Decide which meaning fits each sentence below. Write the correct definition. So this is how you do this. Let's look at number 1 again. 1, Nathan likes the figure in this picture. This is meaning number 2. A form, shape, or pattern. So I'm going to write 2. A form, shape, or pattern. Okay? Now, look at number 2. Can you figure out how to open this box? Which definition is it? Is it number 1 or is it number 2? It is number 1. To solve. There we go. Please do number 3 and 4 on your own. Number 3. Darren counted to see how many chocolate chips were in his cookie. Is it definition 1 or definition 2? Number 4. Patty can't find her math book. She will check to see if it is in her backpack. Check. Is it number 1 or is it number 2? Very easy activity. If you have any questions, please email Mr. Waterman. That's all for today. Stay safe and healthy, everyone. And don't forget to write good sentences on page 130. I hope to see you all very soon. Take care and bye-bye for now.